many creators are leveraging its creativity program to generate substantial income. In this guide, we'll explore the strategies used by successful TikTok creators, unveiling the secrets of their viral videos and providing a step-by-step process to replicate their success. The foundation, catchy name, and profile. To kickstart your TikTok journey, begin by creating a catchy name for your account. Avoid unnecessary brainstorming by using nam.com to generate hundreds of names related to your content in seconds. The importance of a compelling profile picture cannot be overstated. Utilize Leonardo AI to create eye-catching images, preferably featuring cute animals, as human images may not resonate well with the TikTok audience. Crafting viral videos, key elements. Successful TikTok videos are built on a foundation of unbelievable facts that capture viewers' attention. Search for themes like facts that can save your life to identify trending topics on TikTok. Utilize ChatGPT to discover rare and intriguing facts, ensuring your content stands out. Encourage engagement by choosing facts that prompt users to leave comments. Creating a hook and voiceover, craft a captivating hook for your video, using your most unique and intriguing fact at the beginning. Follow up with a compelling sentence to retain viewer interest. To narrate your content, use the AI voiceover website 11 Labs, selecting the popular voice, Adam. Keep the voiceover around 45 to 50 seconds to maintain viewer engagement. Selecting background footage. Enhance your video by incorporating attention-grabbing background footage. Search for mesmerizing VXRs or CGI videos on TikTok and utilize Save Tick to download and incorporate them into your content. Make the initial clip precisely 2 seconds long to create a scroll-stopping effect. Adding satisfying clips. Explore satisfying videos on YouTube and download them using CBP.com. Integrate these clips into your TikTok video using CapCut, ensuring each clip is 2 seconds long for optimal engagement. Enhancing visual appeal. To boost visual appeal, use ChatGPT and other tools to create unique images. Additionally, convert these images into videos using runwayold.com. This adds a dynamic element to your content, making it more visually appealing. Viral tricks for engagement. Incorporate viral tricks to boost engagement. Trick 1 involves generating shares by creating the illusion that friends are sharing your video. Trick 2 introduces secret emojis, encouraging users to comment with a specific word. Trick 3 leverages the follow for luck concept, prompting users to like and follow your account for supposed good luck. Utilizing runway clips. Enhance your video further by incorporating clips generated with runwayold.com. Replace existing clips with these visually appealing ones at strategic points in your content. Perfecting the video. Fine-tune your video by chopping and optimizing clips for 1 minute and 20 seconds. Use AI prompts and tools to create additional images and videos for added originality. Strategic posting. When ready to post, ensure a keyword-rich description that accurately categorizes your content. Use the same hashtags consistently across videos to help TikTok understand your account's focus. Align your sound choices with those of your main competitors for a cohesive viewing experience. Analyzing TikTok categorization. After posting, observe how TikTok categorizes your video. Use this information to refine your content strategy and tailor future videos to the most successful categories. Exploring new niches. Fact or fiction trivia. Consider combining the interesting facts niche with trivia content. Create a game where users must distinguish between real and made-up facts, encouraging participation and boosting engagement. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of creating TikTok content that not only goes viral, but also engages and retains a dedicated audience. Stay creative and adaptable, and success on TikTok could be just around the corner. Follow for more.